friends! Today we are gonna learn how to draw a panda.